Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Watchletic Error Code 401. The error reads, error with the response, unexpected status code. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to import their updated TrainAs1 calendar with Watchletic. Instead of syncing, the import fails and shows this error message. According to our research, this error is most likely caused by authentication issues between Watchletic and TrainAs1 outdated app versions or temporary syncing problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to reconnect your TrainAs1 account. To do this, open the Watchletic app, then disconnect TrainAs1 and then re-authenticate with TrainAs1. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the Watchletic app. Install the update if available and then check for the error again. If you still get the error, then as a workaround, export your run to .fit files from Watchletic and upload them manually from the TrainAs1 browser. This way, your data will still sync properly. Once done, check if this resolves the error. At last, if nothing helps, then we suggest you contact the Watchletic support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.